Okay, we're now in Daang Reina, and I'm with Mr. Ellie. And what the F are you doing, Ellie? So fast. Was a close one.
Oh, dyan nag-shoot sila, ano? Okay. Nasa.
Now we are at Amore at Portofino on the right. Yep, Amore Portofino. We're now going back to Daang Hare.
You ready?
Okay. There's a police officers on front, the roadblock, and we're not doing a Need for Speed shift. We're just testing our newly found 4EFD. So just chill. So what can you say, Sir Paul?
Yeah, it's addicting.
Yeah. It's what you call playing. Yes.
Oh, there's the roadblock.
There's the roadblock, the cotton caps.
It's their lunchtime.
Their lunchtime. There's the police station right here.
Alright. So we're out and
Again, we're now heading to Portofino.
we're gonna wait for some cars.
Yes.
Gonna boost some cars. Let's wait for the Honda Civic.
No, not the Honda Civic.
It's very slow.
It's just doing. Kids, don't do it. You're home. G-force. Okay, there we go. There's Portofino Heights. Yep. And there's the sales office. Okay, there we go.
Uy, GT ba yun?
Oh, GTV. Ba't mo? Ganda na, parang sa'yo lang.
Right.
Oops. Okay. Slow down. Don't need to rush anything.
Nakakita na ako. Turbo yun, turbo.
one nice car. You have to do that in front of the Jaguar.
Suspension.
Okay. Fuck. Panoodin natin yung video later. Oops. Please. May lubak dyan. Si Daisy. Yun yan eh, no? Delikado ko din dati. We're nearing what they call this, Alabang exit, no? Yes. This is the end of the Danghari Road. We're now going to the Link Road, going to Alabang. That was some the G-force. It's very it's very high. I'm not used to it. It's like Ramon Bautista. Shit, this is all caught in video, and I have 7 minutes of video. Wow, this is one fucking shit, Paul. I got only 46 minutes. I have to transfer this because my phone will lag. Will not work anymore. Wala na. Oops. There's a fucking humps. If there's no fucking humps, we can go. But you know, suspension is everything. So 20 seconds. Say goodbye, sir. Ciao. Okay. This is Levi.